All right, let's cut right through all the buzzwords. We're going to tackle a question that trips a lot of people up. What is the actual difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? Let's get into it. And yeah, this is the heart of the problem, isn't it? You hear these two terms thrown around like they're the same thing, but they're really not. They represent totally different ideas. And understanding that difference is absolutely key. And trust me, we're going to make it super simple to grasp. And look, this isn't just for tech experts or anything. Whether you're a student, working in the industry, or honestly just curious about the future, you need to get this. Because once you do, the entire world of AI just makes so much more sense. So let's start at the top, the big picture, the umbrella that covers everything else. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, the two most important words on this slide are human intelligence. See, AI isn't just one specific thing. It's this huge, ambitious scientific goal. It's all about trying to build our own thinking abilities right into a machine. So when we say human intelligence, what do we really mean? We mean stuff like this. The whole point of AI is to build systems that can think things through, make a call, solve a tricky problem, or even just look at a picture and know what it's seen. It's the entire field dedicated to making machines smart. Okay, so if AI is the destination, right? The big goal we're trying to reach, well, how do we get there? That brings us to the method, one of the most powerful tools we have for building AI, machine learning. This right here, this is the game changer. Think about it. Instead of a programmer having to write a million lines of code with a rule for every single possibility, machine learning just flips that whole idea on its head. It's about letting the machine figure out the rules for itself, just by looking at tons of examples. And this is exactly how it does it. You just feed the system a crazy amount of data, like, say, a billion pictures of cats. You give it some clever algorithms to help it find similarities. Then, through this training process, the system itself starts to learn the patterns of what makes a cat, without you ever having to write a single line of code that says, look for pointy ears. It's incredible. So now that we kind of know what both of these things are, let's put the puzzle pieces together and see exactly how they're connected. You know what? If you forget everything else we talk about, please remember this. AI is the grand mission. Build a smart machine. Machine learning is a specific, powerful strategy for getting the job done. It's the destination versus one of the fastest cars you can drive to get there. This table breaks it down perfectly. Just look at the scope. AI is the whole universe, while ML is a star system within it. And check out that last row. Includes. AI is this huge field that has machine learning, deep learning, NLP, that's natural language processing, how machines understand us, and more. But machine learning is focused on its own set of tools, like supervised learning, where you give it labeled examples, or unsupervised learning, where it has to find patterns all by itself. Visually, this is the best way to think about it. It's like those Russian nesting dolls. The biggest doll is artificial intelligence. You open it up, and inside you find a smaller doll, machine learning. And if you open that one up, you'll find an even more specific technique inside, like deep learning. Each one fits inside the other. Okay, that's enough theory. Let's make this real. Let's look at some examples that you probably use every single day. Oh, this is such a great comparison. Think about Siri or Alexa. That's a broad AI system. It has to do a bunch of things at once. Understand what you're saying, figure out what you want, search for info, and talk back to you. That's a huge AI goal. But now think about Netflix's recommendations. That's a perfect, laser-focused example of machine learning. Its one job is to analyze data, your viewing history, and learn the patterns to predict what you'll want to watch next. All right, we've walked through the definitions, the hierarchy, and some real-world examples. Now it's time to boil everything down into one simple, final rule that will make this stick in your head forever. Okay, here we go. This is it. The one sentence, the one crucial idea that just ties this whole thing together with a neat little bow. Ready? And that's it. It's that simple. Because machine learning is a part of AI, any ML system is by definition an AI system. But the reverse isn't true, because the huge field of AI includes so many other things besides just learning from data. So the next time you hear someone use those words interchangeably, you'll know the real difference, and you'll have a much better handle on the tech that is literally changing our world.